Hi, I'm Barry Rubinovitz of Classic Homes Real Estate. Today, real estate is more challenging than ever before. As you know, I'm an innovative team leader, finding myself in need of additional professional agents who are willing to shift their paradigm of the old real estate ways of prospecting and chasing people for business. Instead, our team uses specialized and unique consumer programs to generate a constant and steady stream of qualified, ready-to-act buyer and seller appointments. That's right, our team members do no cold calling. Our unique selling system works so well that our team members work on high productive activities, all without having to prospect for it. Our admin staff handles all the paperwork. The bottom line is this: I'm offering you an opportunity to join an awesome team that's actively engaged in a proven system of helping loads of people, making many sales, having fun doing it, and making lots of money. Give me a confidential call and let's chat. 617-328-5800, extension 102. Thanks.